Thanks for watching this month's Upgrade and Modifications video. I'm Kevin Duserhouse with Weber. Today I want to talk to you about Weber Remote Service, also called WRS. This smart tool can save you money and time in repair maintenance. In a nutshell, the Weber Remote Service allows Weber technicians to remote in and troubleshoot any problems you may be having, from anything like slicing to weight control. Let's say you run into a problem with your portion control. This direct and immediate link is open and closed whenever you choose. When the gateway is open, the information that flows between your slicer and our desktop computer allows Weber experts to see every critical aspect of your machine's operation. Performance can be analyzed and errors remotely corrected. Another way the WRS can give you peace of mind is that it can send you an alert when something isn't performing right with your Weber machine. You will know immediately, and you can quickly allow Weber access to help you see what's going on and how it can be fixed. If you think that your facility can benefit from WRS, please contact the Weber Upgrade and Modifications team. We can arrange a site visit with one of our Weber technicians. Thanks for watching this episode of Weber's Upgrade and Modifications. See you next month.